Tere! The last time we talked about the infinitives in Estonian. Today we can continue with the verbs and talk about the present perfect. That is, how do you say you have done something? I have worked, I have studied, I have lived. It's a past form that you use quite like in English, when you have an experience of having done something in your life, or when you have started something in the past that continues in the present. To form the present perfect, you need the verb to be, olema, which has to be conjugated. And then you need another verb ending with nud, for example, puhanud, rested. The verb ending with nud is a participle and does not change. Only olema changes depending on the person. For example, ma olen puhanud, I have rested. Sa oled puhanud, you have rested. Me oleme puhanud, we have rested. Me ei ole puhanud, we haven't rested. It is also useful to know that the nud form comes from the da infinitive. Puhata, to rest. Puhanud, rested. Lugeda, to read. Lugenud, read. Aidata, to help. Aidanud, helped. As you remember, there are also some verbs whose da form is visibly different from the ma infinitive. We can call them exceptional verbs. These verbs have also a different nud form that does not come from the da infinitive. Let's list the most important ones here. Olnud, been. Tulnud, come. Teinud, done. Näinud, seen. Läinud, gone. Joonud, drunk. Söönud, eaten. So this was the present perfect tense. In the next video we will have a look into the simple past in Estonian. Aitäh, head aega!